After you have plugged in your Onn Roku TV, let's turn on the TV and start the setup process. First, you'll choose your language, then your region. Now choose Setup for Home Use and select whether you are using an Ethernet cable or a wireless Wi-Fi connection. Just press OK or go to the left, then select Setup New Wireless Connection. Give it a moment and choose your Wi-Fi name, then connect to it by entering your password. After it detects the internet, it will check for update, and in most cases an update will be available. So press OK and let your TV install the latest firmware. During this process, don't turn off your TV. When it's finished, your TV will take a restart and you'll be on the sign-in page. Here you'll have a few options, like entering the email manually using the remote, or activate by scanning a QR code using your smartphone. We're gonna go with the QR code, as you'll need a smartphone anyway. So open the camera app on your smartphone, scan the QR code. This will take you to the Roku activation website. Now if you don't have a Roku account, then you can create one by filling in all the boxes here. And if you already have a Roku account, just select Existing Customer and sign in using your email and password. If you're signing in, you may also need to enter the code sent to your email. So open your email app, find the mail from Roku, and put this code in the website. Now you can rename your Onn Roku TV. And this is what your TV will appear as on other devices. Now choose a room or location, check the agreement, and click Continue. In the next page, you can choose which apps you want to add to your Roku TV's home screen. Then click on Continue, and voila! It says setup is complete, and on your TV, it will start updating the apps. So wait until all the apps are loaded. Now it says let's connect your devices, so let's press OK. And it will just ask you to connect any external devices, like consoles or TV box, and turn them on. You can follow along if you have any devices, or just select Do It Later. And boom! Now you're on the Onn Roku TV's home screen. And as all the apps are pre-installed, go ahead and pick your entertainment. Hope you found this useful. I'll see you around.